teachers.
What's the most
What's
evil
the
thing
best
you've ever
thing a
baked?
student
I had
has
a
ever
coworker
said?
who treated
1
our
year
break
while
room
teaching
fridge
eighth
like his
grade,
personal
I had
snack
this
bar.
really
Every
shy
single
kid,
day,
along
someone's
with one
lunch
of
would
those
vanish. My homemade
stereotypical
lasagna
mean
gone.
girls
Even
in one of
Tom's
my
protein
classes.
shake
The
with
girl
his
would
name
always
written
be
in
begging
huge
for
letters
attention,
somehow
blurting
went
out
missing.
stuff
The
like,
worst
"You're
part,
probably
he'd
my
always look
second
concerned and
least
say,
favorite
must be the
teacher," and
cleaning
would make
staff
fun of a
taking
lot
things
of the other
again. He'd say it
girls.
so
It bothered me
convincingly
when
that
she
our
would make
manager
fun of
called
the
a
shy
meeting with the
kid
cleaning
because he
crew about
reminded
it.
me
I
of
watched him for
myself.
weeks.
One day
He had
I
a
was doing
pattern.
a group
Desserts
project
disappeared
and
first,
decided to pair
especially
the two,
homemade ones.
along
He
with
just
2
couldn't
other
resist
boys.
them. That's when I got
After
an
a
idea.
while,
I spent
noticed
Sunday
that the
night
girl
baking
wasn't
brownies,
doing
but
any
these
work
weren't just
and
any
was just
brownies. They
talking
were
with
made
the
with
2
sugar-free
guys,
ingredients
leaving
that are
all the
known to
work for
have
the shy
interesting
kid.
effects
I
on the
walked over
digestive
and asked
system.
why
I
he
placed
was
them in the
doing all
break
the
room
work,
with a
and the
note,
mean girl
homemade
told me
treats,
he was
please enjoy.
hogging all
By
the
10
work and
a.m.,
not letting
half the
them
plate
do
was
anything.
gone.
I knew
By
this wasn't
10:30, the
true,
rest had
so I said
disappeared.
that they
By
could
11,
just do
he was
the
making
rest
his
since
first
he did
desperate
most
run
of
to
it
the
already.
bathroom.
The
I
girl
watched as he
said,
spent the
"No,
entire
it's
day
okay,
rushing
he
to
can
the
do it, he's
restroom.
a
He tried to
nerd
play it
anyway,"
cool between
and got a
trips, but
laugh
his
out of
face
the
told a
boys.
different
I then
story.
said
The
to
next
her,
morning,
"You should
I
be
brought
nice
in
to him.
regular
He could be
brownies.
your
They
boss
sat
one day."
untouched.
Just
He wouldn't
after
even
this,
glance
with
at them.
zero
It's been 3
hesitation,
months
the
since
shy
then.
kid
Mysteriously,
finally
not a
spoke.
single
He said,
lunch has gone
"No
missing.
thanks.
The
I don't
cleaning
want to be a
staff must
pimp
have
when I
found their
grow